Welcome to EDU World Space.
So here there is a spring that has a spring constant of 126 newtons per meter. Now, given the mass of the sphere is equal to 0.65 kg, and the amplitude that at which it would oscillate, A, is equal to 5 cm, because it was pulled till 5 cm, so that is equal to 0.05 meters. Right now, what is the value of electric field at P? Now, to do that, electric field at any point is given as K times the charge due to which the electric field is occurring, that is Q, upon the distance. Now the distance is, if you look closely in the figure, so if the ball has a displacement of y, then towards the table, so the distance between the ball and the table would be 15 centimeter minus y. So in SI unit, that would be 0.15 minus displacement y, right? So whole square. Simple, right? So this is the displacement. Now writing the displacement here. So, and we know that in the question given, Q is equal to minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulombs. All right. Now let's write the value of expression for y as 0.15 minus a cos omega t whole squared. Now we know K, we know Q, we know the amplitude A, we now only need omega. So to find out omega, we can use the formula omega is equal to root under the spring constant K upon mass M. So this gives me root under 126 upon 0.65, now which is equal to, so omega equals to 13.92 radian per second. Wow, we have calculated that as well. Now just let's plug in the values of K and Q. This gives me K times Q is 27,000, right? And if you multiply K by Q, that is K and Q, that is 27,000. Now divide by, because you know the value of K, you may get confused with this K and the spring constant K. So let me call the spring constant K as K prime, okay? Otherwise you may get confused. Here the K is is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and that is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. All right, okay. So 27,000 upon 0.15 minus the amplitude is 0.05 cos of omega is 13.92 t whole square. Right now, what we can do next is just take 0.05 outside as common, so that will give me 1.08 into 10 to the power 7 in the numerator, and in the denominator we will have 3 minus cos of 13.92 t whole square. Alright, so this is the expression for electric field in terms of t. And if you want to look at the direction, so Q is negative, so electric field would be vertically upwards since Q is negative. Since, oh, I don't want to sing now. Neither do you want, I think. Since Q is negative. Okay, so this is the solution to this question. Thank you.